Hi guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to another awesome video. I really do hope that you enjoyed this one as much as I enjoyed making it. So today what I'll be doing mainly is organize the kitchen and prepare some meal for my mubaba. I will obviously start by doing the dishes, thereafter organize and wipe down the surfaces. Guys, is it just me, Ama? Imagine I hate doing dishes so much. I always dreaded doing that, but I don't have any other way, so I got to do them. So guys, I prefer to do the dishes in warm water, actually close to hot water, and thereafter rinse them in cold running water. And on this specific day, I had quite a lot to tackle because I skipped doing them at night after I finished eating.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every
So guys, I'm done and I'm glad that my kitchen is sparkling clean now and the dishes are okay, but I think I give them like half an hour, then the sink will have some more. Literally half an hour. So I want to start on cooking really fast, but I'm glad that it's a really simple dish and I know I'll be done in no time. So my meal is ready. It was just a really simple one, but we did enjoy it. This is actually my husband's favorite meal, and I'm so glad that I did it. And thank you so much guys for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing that. I will see you in my next one.